Join me. Let's eat mama. Oh my goodness. I've been craving for this. I've been eating bean steak. Today, I said it's going to be mama. I don't even know where to cut from again. It's the same thing, but I just do like this. Scoop here, scoop here. Okay. Look at what I'm eating anyway. Pairing anyway. What's in it? Very hot. Very hot. I'm in my daughter's room. I'll be there look for tissue. I don't have tissue here. This is so good. Try this combo. Try this combo. Combo. Nothing like you are craving for something and you still eat. And just everything. You don't understand. You don't understand. I know you are beating mama. No, don't say white mama. Please, let me show all the expression. I don't want to hide any expression. Don't burn me. This is how I'm feeling inside. So let me express it. Please. Let me express it as. I don't think they come, they eat, now they don't. Oh. How are you guys? No. I'm not your regular. This is what I'm feeling inside. I have to express it for them. Plenty fish. After this, I'll just. Why are they picking it? See. Mama, waiting after picture. Oh my goodness, where's Benita and Brielle? Where are they? I'm looking for them. Oh, look at them, they are sleeping. You are so brave. She's scared. Let's eat, my bestie. One of my besties is here. Yes, my bestie. You heard me right. Then a coconut. Can you take this for lunch? If my daughter says, you see my bestie forever, baby girl. Forever and ever. My corn is ready. Negodi corn. Do you think Negodi? So fresh. Do you think 2 corn is too much for me? Mama, it's 2 corn too much.
You will turn into a ball if you eat.
You start turning into a ball.
And you know what I meant. You will turn into a whole puff
You
ball.
may try to go too fast.
You turn into a puff ball.
Yeah, I want to turn into a puff ball. I like it.
Why?
If I turn into a puff ball, you need to call me mommy again.
I will call you puff mommy.
But for mommy, I'll still be your mommy. At least mommy is still attached.
You will explode if you eat too much.
Very young, guys. Let me go and sit down. Bye. My grandmother, they greet to our fans. For those of now, when they share my video, my grandmother visit me, say make I greet all of them. Hey, yeah, she they wave. Thank you, grandma.